to introduce this set of interchangeable circular needle. You can see this packaging is very durable and good looking. Okay, so now I open this packaging. You can see there are 16 size of knitting needle in colorful, many different colors, and four pieces of connector and 4 pieces of end button. Okay, and now we turn to learn the other part. There are 8 size of connector cord. The longest is 52 inches, which means you can make the larger project as you wanted. And also small knitting accessories packaging. And now I would like to show you how to connect this needle together with this cord. Firstly, we get one size of needle and we get one size of cord. As you can see, this black tip, flat black tip, keep the same line with this hole, this needle hole, and then insert it. Do not move this side, just switch this black connector by 90 degree. Okay, so you can see this small hole and this big hole, this big needle hole in the same line. So we now finish this connect. Step. Okay, so how to depart this needle from this cord? Okay, again, simply switch this black cord by 90 degree, and we can see this hole and then this line of needle. So now we departed successfully. Okay, let me try it again. Okay, let me do it again. Firstly, keep the same line and insert it, and switch this black cord by 90 degree. Okay, finish. You just finish this connector step. Okay, so now departed, switch it by 90 degree again, and the small hole in with this needle line and the same line. Okay, departed. So now I would like to show you some knitting projects I have done before with this wonderful set of circular knitting needle. This one I made for a children's sweater. For my baby son who is 9 years old. And this one, the scarf, yes, it's not finished yet. Also with this, also knitted on this wonderful circular needle. And this cute baby hat. This cute baby hat with on this circular needle again, on this yellow one. Not finished yet. Okay, I would like to introduce one bigger project Okay, this is very big. This is with 52 inches cord and the bigger blanket. When when the winter comes, this is very good for keep you warmer. And this cord is 52 inches. Okay, now I would like to introduce, if you want to knitting something big, you simply need to connect cord together. Connect maybe this size, just for example, this size of cord and this size of cord together. If you want to make a bigger more, you can add more pieces of cord together, just together. Okay, so now we need to use this connector. Actually, it's the same step as we just do between hook and the cord. It's the same step. Okay, let me show you again. Firstly, we got one cord, we got one connector, and we got one size cord. Keep this flat tip in the same line and insert it, and switch by 90 degrees. Okay, we finish this connector step, and now we want to depart it. We want to depart it by 90 degrees. Okay. Okay, now I connect several cords together. Firstly. Okay, first one. And I want to connect another cord. Okay, I want to add more longer. If you want to add more cord, simply connect this and 90 degrees, and then add this again, 90 degrees. Okay, simply to add your required length of this cord according to your knitting process need, with the help of this connector. So this is very nice design and very nice consideration for people who want to make a bigger project or smaller project, which it depends on. And okay, thanks for watching.